Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from MOTOROLA Moto G9 Play to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Now after selecting Close in white pop-up at the top, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Over here you need to go back to Motorola and using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times to access your files. Then select them. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom right corner of Motorola device and hit Got it in the pop-up. Now decide which connection way will be better for you. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive or Download after Watch Ad. If you prefer to scan this code instead, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, and hit Allow in the pop-up. Then point your device's camera at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!